Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making lemon cucumber water. The ingredients that we're going to need today are cucumber, lemon, and I also have mint leaves, and that's optional. The first thing you're going to do is wash off your cucumber and also your lemon. Then we're going to cut them in very thin slices. This is how thin I've sliced the cucumber. Okay guys, I also cut my lemon very thin and I removed any seeds. Also have my mint leaves also. Now you want to get a bottle or a pitcher, and we're going to be using cold water. So all I'm going to do now is pour some of my water on the bottom of my bottle. Now I'm going to add in my cucumbers. And also my lemons. As you can see, I added all my lemons and my cucumbers, and I added some more water. Now you want to get your mint leaves. And all we're going to do is like crush them a little bit so they'll let the flavor come out when we put it into the water. Just crush it in between your fingertips. Now you can go ahead and add your mint leaves in. After you do that, squeezing them, you can smell them and they smell really nice. And remember, this is optional, you don't have to put that in there. And now I'm going to add the remainder of my water. As you can see guys, this looks really pretty. So now we're going to refrigerate it for 1 to 2 hours so that the cucumbers and the lemon and the mint will all infuse in the water. So the benefits of drinking cucumber lemon water: it keeps you hydrated, it lowers your blood pressure, it curbs your appetite, it may help prevent cancer, it's inexpensive, it supports brain health, it's full of antioxidants, and is low in calories, it's good for your skin, it boosts bone health, and is good for your muscles. So this is a nice drink also on the hot summer days, and it'll keep you hydrated. Also guys, when making this, it's best to drink it the same day because the next day it may taste bitter. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.